The CLC can be used as an economic model to answer the question of how much it's worth to you to solve each of your problems. And we have an interactive tool you can use to help you quantify your CLC. Let's go through an example of how to use the tool now. Suppose there are 10,000 potential customers in a target market, and on average, each will generate $2,400 revenue per year. Total potential is $24 million. Now, suppose only 1 out of 5 of these prospects, 20%, are aware of why they should do business with this company. The most penetration could be, without changing awareness, is 2,000 customers, or $4.8 million. Next, suppose 90% of the people who are aware know how to access the product. Perhaps a salesperson or website was the place they became aware. So this number is high, and the penetration that is possible slides only to 1,800 customers. That's $4.3 million. But only 1 out of 3 prospects who are aware and know how to access are motivated to ask for a proposal. The possible penetration slips to 594 customers, or $1.4 million. Next, let's say the sales force closes 60% of the proposals they write. Possible penetration is 356 customers, or $864,000. The product manager has a good training program, so 95% learn how to use, 99% are satisfied, and 95% are retained. The possible penetration is 318 customers, $772,000, or 3.2% of the total potential. Look how hard it is to get even 3% penetration. You've got to get a lot of things right. Now, here's the payoff of working with all these numbers. Suppose you could create an awareness-building program with a motivational program attached that will lift awareness to 60% and motivation to 50%. Revenue increases from 3.2% and $772,000 to 14.5%, or $3.5 million. That's a revenue lift of over $2.5 million. And suppose your marketing program cost $500,000. That's a 5 times 1-year payback. Now you try it. Fill in the percentages for your largest opportunity. Then adjust the sliding bars to estimate what's at stake if you improve your top 2 or 3 leverage points. Jot down your numbers, then complete task 3. Answer the last 3 questions in your Word file. Then send your Word file to me and your teammates. And you're done.